After 50, your kidneys don't suddenly fail, but they do become more sensitive to what you eat. Foods that once caused no issues can gradually create subtle strain on your filtration system. There's usually no pain and no early warning. The effects often appear later through lab results showing rising creatinine or a lower filtration rate. Dairy is one of the most misunderstood food groups when it comes to kidney health. Some people avoid it completely, fearing damage. Others consume large portions without thinking about sodium, phosphorus, or protein load. The truth lies somewhere in between. Dairy is not automatically harmful. The type you choose, how it's processed, and how much you consume make the difference. As kidney efficiency gradually declines with age, excess sodium can increase fluid retention and blood pressure. High phosphorus intake may accumulate when filtration slows. Very large protein portions can increase workload on already aging nephrons. This does not mean dairy must be removed. It means precision becomes more important. Kidney care after 50 is not about restriction. It is about smarter selection. Why kidney health needs attention after 50. The kidneys contain millions of microscopic filtering units called nephrons. With time, some naturally lose efficiency. Blood circulation to the kidneys slowly decreases, and waste removal becomes less robust. Because this shift is gradual, many people feel completely normal while internal changes are happening. At the same time, aging is commonly associated with higher blood pressure, insulin resistance, mild dehydration, and long-term medication use. Each of these increases filtration demand. Elevated blood sugar damages delicate filtering structures. Chronic inflammation weakens small blood vessels. High sodium intake raises blood pressure, which directly stresses kidney tissue. Since the kidneys constantly filter everything we consume, diet becomes increasingly influential after 50. Prevention through balanced nutrition is far more effective than attempting reversal later. How dairy can support kidney function. When chosen wisely, dairy products can contribute to kidney support rather than strain. Moderate amounts of high-quality protein help preserve muscle mass, which naturally declines with age. Maintaining muscle improves metabolic stability and reduces overall stress on the body. The key is balance. Adequate protein supports strength, but excessive intake increases filtration demand. Fermented dairy, such as yogurt, supports the gut microbiome. A healthy gut produces fewer waste byproducts that need to be filtered by the kidneys. This gut-kidney relationship plays a subtle but important role in long-term kidney balance. Calcium also contributes to blood pressure regulation. Stable blood pressure protects the small blood vessels inside the kidneys. However, mineral intake must remain proportionate to kidney function. Dairy does not directly flush toxins. Its benefit comes from supporting metabolic balance when consumed in controlled amounts. Greek yogurt. Plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt offers concentrated, high-quality protein in a relatively small portion. This makes it efficient for supporting muscle maintenance without requiring large servings. Its probiotic content promotes healthier gut bacteria, helping reduce toxin reabsorption into the bloodstream. Less circulating waste means less filtration demand. Because Greek yogurt is strained and concentrated, it contains more phosphorus per serving than regular yogurt. For that reason, portion size matters. About half a cup per serving is typically sufficient. Always choose plain, low-sodium varieties without added sugars. Rice milk. Rice milk is one of the more kidney-conscious milk alternatives due to its naturally lower potassium and phosphorus content compared to many other dairy and plant-based milks. It provides hydration and light calories without adding significant protein load. This can be helpful for older adults who need energy support while managing mineral intake. However, label reading is critical. Many fortified rice milks contain phosphate additives. Unlike natural phosphorus in whole foods, added phosphates are absorbed at a much higher rate by the body. This can contribute to mineral buildup in individuals with reduced kidney function. Choose unsweetened versions without phosphate additives whenever possible. When used as a replacement rather than an addition, rice milk can help reduce overall mineral exposure. Mozzarella cheese. Fresh or part-skim mozzarella generally contains less sodium and phosphorus than aged cheeses like cheddar or Parmesan. In small servings, about 1 ounce, It provides calcium and protein without heavy mineral concentration. Avoid pre-shredded or heavily processed varieties, which often contain added salt and preservatives. Keeping portions modest allows mozzarella to fit within a kidney-aware eating plan. Cottage cheese, low sodium. Low-sodium cottage cheese provides concentrated protein in a relatively lean form. Compared to paneer and aged cheeses, it typically contains less fat and higher protein density per serving. This makes it useful for maintaining muscle mass after 50. However, standard versions can be high in salt. Always select clearly labeled low-sodium options. A serving of about half a cup is generally appropriate. Avoid flavored varieties, which may contain added sodium or sugar. Controlled portions help ensure it supports muscle health without increasing kidney burden. Unsalted butter. Unsalted butter contains virtually no potassium and minimal phosphorus. When used sparingly, it provides energy without adding mineral stress. For individuals with reduced appetite, small amounts can support calorie intake. The key is moderation. A thin spread or small cooking portion is sufficient. Compared to processed spreads high in sodium and additives, unsalted butter is the simpler option, but it should still be used carefully. Paneer fresh, homemade, unsalted. Homemade paneer allows full control over salt content. Unlike packaged versions, it can be prepared without added sodium or preservatives. Paneer provides protein and calcium but is generally higher in fat and slightly lower in protein per serving compared to cottage cheese. For adults managing both kidney and heart health, portion control is important. A serving of about 1 ounce or a few cubes is typically adequate. Store-bought paneer should only be used if sodium content is clearly low. How to use these dairy products after 50. Rather than combining several dairy products in one day, choose one moderate serving and rotate options throughout the week. For most individuals without advanced kidney disease, 1 serving daily is reasonable. This may include half a cup of yogurt, half a cup of low-sodium cottage cheese, 1 ounce of cheese, or 1 cup of unsweetened rice milk. Those monitoring mineral intake should aim to keep phosphorus from dairy within approximately 200 to 300 milligrams per day unless directed otherwise by a healthcare provider. Consistency and moderation are more protective than strict elimination. Who can include these options? These dairy choices are suitable for adults over 50 with normal kidney function or mild early kidney stress. They may also benefit individuals managing blood pressure or seeking lower sodium dietary patterns. Stable lab values generally indicate that moderate portions can be safely included. Who should use caution? Individuals with advanced chronic kidney disease, significantly reduced eGFR, elevated phosphorus levels, or strict renal dietary prescriptions should consult a healthcare professional before increasing dairy intake. Those with uncontrolled hypertension or diabetes should monitor sodium and sugar carefully. When kidney function is significantly reduced, dietary adjustments must be individualized. After 50, kidney protection depends on precision rather than restriction. Dairy products are not inherently harmful. Problems arise from excessive sodium, heavy processing, and oversized portions. Selecting minimally processed, lower sodium dairy in moderate amounts supports muscle strength, gut balance, and blood pressure stability, all important for long-term kidney health. Lasting protection comes from steady habits, informed choices, and balanced nutrition, not extreme detox claims.